Hello everyone, my name's Chad. I'm a staff member here at CVR MLS and I'm here with a short how-to video for Matrix. In this one, we're going to be going over how to manage photos on your listing. This is something you're going to have to do if you have a new listing. You'll have to include at least one photo, or maybe you have an existing listing and you want to change some of the photos or maybe add some information to the photos that you have. So that's what we're going to be going over. I'm going to show you a few ways to do that. So once you're logged in, the first step is going to be to select the listing. From the home page here, you're going to have an option in choosing from the editable listings, choosing from any section here in the My Listings widget, or you can start with the input tab at the top of the web page, and that's what we're going to do now. From the input page, you're going to have the option of selecting your listing from this drop down menu, or just going over here and entering the MLS number if you have it. Once you selected your listing, you're going to be brought to the Modify Listings page. In the Other Options section, you're going to click Manage Photos and then Browse to begin searching your hard drive for the photos you want to add. Once you've found those on your computer, it's simple. Just click Open, and that's going to upload them right into Matrix. Alright, so just to rewind a little bit before we move on, you're going to have the option of pulling photos from any of your existing listings. While no photos are uploaded, you'll see click here to import photos from another listing. And from there, it's simple as entering the listing number you want to copy the photos from and clicking import. Just note that you can only do this with your listings. Whichever way you decide, you're going to upload them. You'll have the chance to change which photo will appear as your primary photo by dragging it to the front of the list, and you'll also be able to add a caption or a description to each of the photos by clicking the text or the drop down menu. So after all the photos are pulled over or uploaded and you've entered all the additional information, you're going to click certify and save, and your photos will immediately become available on your listing. Just note that when you are adding them, you click certify and save to agree to the image upload certification. In short, it verifies that you are giving permission to and have the authority to give permission to CVR MLS to use, display, and distribute the listing photographs that you upload. One last thing to keep in mind is that Matrix will only accept photos that end in type .jpg, .jpeg, or .gif. And for the best quality, you're going to want to upload photos at least 1024 by 768 pixels in size. And it should have a DPI of less than 90. And that pretty much covers everything. That's going to conclude this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.